How's it going, everybody? In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use one of the most powerful features available inside of a mobile application, and that is our loyalty programs. We have two different types of loyalty programs. We have the Loyalty V1 and then the Loyalty V2. And to give you some examples of what these look like, I'm going to search in the help desk of kind of what these two are. So we have a simple stamp card that you can set up, and then we also have a gradual, what we call Loyalty V2 tab, that allows users to collect points, and they can redeem certain certain specials at different points, or they can collect all their points and get a mega reward at the end. So this one is great for something like 10 coffees, get one free. This one is great for, you get a stamp, you get to here, you get a free coffee. But if you want to save up your stamps to here, you get a free sandwich. And then if you get to here, you get your entire meal, or up to $30 free. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set that up. So right now in our mobile application, I'm going to show you the loyalty program that we have set up. And also, I'm going to show you how it works. So basically, the secret code for this stamp card is 12345. Go ahead and save that. And I'm going to access that within the mobile application. And how this works is very, very simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stamp, as you can see. And then you can share over Facebook and Twitter. And then as you gradually get your stamps, you'll get to the end, and then it'll show a redemption page where you can finally redeem a reward. But I'm going to focus on how to set this up. So how to set it up is very, very simple. First step is just selecting a header image. We have a number of different header images for you to choose from. In this example, I'm just going to select one quickly. We'll go with, let's see here, maybe it's for a salon. And so I'm going to title this something along the lines of get 5 massages and get, or this is a salon, let's do 5 haircuts and receive the 6th one free. So stamps needed to unlock this reward, obviously 5, because you're stating that in the loyalty title. Secret code for this, you can make it whatever you want. We recommend something kind of complex, but not too complex, so your employees can remember it. And you can also change this at any time. So if people are abusing the system, you do have the ability to see who is redeeming rewards within the activity page, and I'll show you that in a second. But you also want to add in a nice icon. I'm going to go ahead and just search one, loyalty icon, image. Maybe I'll select this one right here just as an example. And you want to really customize this for the business, so I'm just kind of moving quickly here. I'm going to upload this custom image. Whoops, not that one. Customer loyalty, hit select. And then also make sure to enable your iPad background as well. Hit select. And from here you can have a grid, or you can have a meter, which shows as percentages. And so I'll show you how both of them work. So another cool feature that you can do is when people first launch the mobile application, you can enable them to get a free stamp on their loyalty system by accepting push notes, which is huge. So giving users an incentive to accept push notes so you can market to them even more is crucial. So I definitely recommend enabling this, and you can customize the text to whatever you want. See, the text is easily editable, and then you can go back and change it whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead and save this and show you what I just created. So hit save, go to preview, now this is the new one that I just created. And I'm going to set it as 1, 2, 5, 6, 4, 8. Whoops. 2, 5, 6, 4, 8. That's going to give me a stamp. And so that one is now enabled. Now if I want to switch it over to the meter, which shows as percentages, we can do that as well. So I'm going to update this, hit save, and go to the same feature and kind of show you the difference. So this one is a stamp card, and this one is a meter, which shows them how close they are to redeeming their free haircut. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 4, 8, and it gradually kind of shows them, you know, they're 20% there. I personally like this design better, but also the stamp card is kind of the standard with loyalty systems, so that's also a great one as well. Please also note you can customize the white background here. This is just an example to show you how the feature works, but I'm also going to show you how the advanced loyalty works. So this one gets pretty awesome, and you can use it in multiple different ways. So for this, I'm going to just title it Loyalty Rewards, because you can add many different rewards. And the secret code is going to be 1, 2, 3 awards per stamp amount. I'm going to say we're going to give 3. How many points you need to get to the end? Let's say, or let's do like 10. And what do you want the points to be called? You can call it just points. And also instructions on basically what this is. So this is kind of the default text. And again, I'm going to go ahead and upload a new icon so you can see the difference. Go back, upload that into the mobile app, hit save. You can also enable a push note reward system as well. And so when I customize this, you're probably going to want to tell the users, what they're going to be getting. So, welcome to our loyalty program. We have a ton of great offers for you to work towards by redeeming points over time. Enjoy, or whatever text you want to include. So I'm going to add that. But then the second step is you're going to want to add offers. So the first offer I'm going to add is free haircut. And the description for this is you get a free haircut. And now since it's on a meter of 100, we'll probably want to have this set at maybe like 20, just as an example. And you can also have this be reused. I always recommend having your loyalty programs be reusable. So for this, I'm going to put a haircut icon. And we'll just go with this one right here. Oops, this is the metered icon. So I'm going to just pick from here, actually makes it much easier. No, I'll just upload my own. Okay, so here we go. Uploading this. And as you can see, that's the first thing that they can redeem. And then also, Uploading. Let's just go with this one right here. Whoops, I've already used that image. Let's go with this one right here. This will work. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. Add another offer, maybe free haircut and hairspray. Just kind of getting creative here. And this is unlocked after you get to 40 points. Again, it can be reused. So I'm going to have another cool icon to display. Go back to the icons, upload this right here, add that, and we'll just continue to use this one right here. So I'm going to take a look at kind of what I've created so far. Hit save, go to your app to preview it, and then you'll see just the differences. And we have so many different types of loyalty programs that are very, very powerful, and this is probably the most powerful one. And so you need to log in by social media to access this feature. So they got it. They need to log in through Facebook or Twitter, and it's the same sort of concept. So they're working towards these points up here. So at the very end they get, a free haircut and hairspray, or they can redeem. So I can enter in my email address. I'll just do example@example.com. And again, this is such a great way to get to know your users and who they are. So example, now I can start working towards my free haircuts, and see I'm getting to there. Okay, so now I can redeem that if I wanted to. So I'll click down, and I could redeem this if I want to, but if I want to keep going, or if I want to redeem it, so what you want to do is within the application you can just click this and allow you to redeem it, but I'm going to keep going. So I'm going to click 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to keep working towards that free hairspray because I really want that. And once you get there, you also just unlocked this as well. So to redeem it, I'm just going to click redeem right here. And then it just says, please hand over your device to the business who will redeem your card. And they'll usually type in the same secret code and redeem it. Oh, excuse me, whoops. So what is the admin secret code? So let me check this out one more time. Oh, all my points were erased. But there's a code that you will use to basically redeem this. So let's head over to the support center and figure out what they need to do to set that up. So again, this goes over everything I'm going over with you. How to redeem it. Please hand your device over to the business representative to redeem the code. They enter in the code, and it will take them back essentially. So they lose those 20 points that they had, but it's a really cool way to basically have a tiered system to where they can work towards just a haircut, or they can keep going and get something even more valuable. And again, this is applicable to pretty much any business with repeat customers. So I definitely recommend you checking out our loyalty systems. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to see you guys using more loyalty programs within your mobile apps. Thanks everybody.